Hi, I'm Ivan Smith with Pickup Specialties, and I want to show what we are selling is a SPI FF1818 high pressure polyurethane coral component sprayer. This is 50 foot of hose, 10 foot of whip. This is the glass wrap Kroger P2 spray gun, and this is the breakdown of all the parts that are in here. This gun is pretty cool because you can just turn the ISO and the poly off when you're done, and then right there is you put a little grease fitting on there, and you fill a chamber full of grease, and then you can walk away for the rest of the day, or the next day you come back. I mean, it's not like it's going to start to seize up on you right away, so it gives you it's just a nice thing. This is the air that goes in there once you've got air hooked up to your. We cleaned it all out and everything. We haven't used it since we cleaned it out, and it's been sitting for about 4 or 5 months. Anyway, it was a $1,400 gun when we bought it about 3 years ago. We're going to leave the hoses intact just because it's just a pain to undo and everything. I think I can get this thing all wrapped up and leaving the hoses on. Same thing with the feed hoses back here. And we had this thing set up in here, and these hoses went through the wall and out into the back where we have the 55-gallon drums of ISO and of polyurethane. There's a humidifier that comes with it. You have to run the air through the humidifier because there's no humidity. Some kind of a transformer, I don't even know what that is. That's all hooked up. We're going to leave that hooked up. This is one thing I want to point out, just so you can look back. Can you zoom in over here? These are where the pistons go up and down, and this needs to be filled with a throat sealer. You'll fill it till you see the little, where you can see the level in there. So about every 5th time you use it, you need to check that, make sure that level's not going down. Your inputs, your air goes right in here. We've disconnected all that, but your air goes right in here. That's another dryer. This is your heater. You got your power, your main power. This is for your pump. The heater for the hose and the regular heater with your temperature controls when it's turned on, they go up. This has got to be a certain amperage that goes through it. We've already got it set. These are your gauges that you want to keep when you're spraying. You want to keep these basically the same. If one side goes down more than 500 pounds, then you want to kind of stop and figure out where you got a little pressure buildup, where there's a little clog in the line or something like that. We have Wyatt's name up here with SPF. He's in, can you zoom over here? You get a real tight shot of that so you can see that's Specialty Products Inc. in I think Rowlett, Texas, and the number's 800-810-9901. This is where we actually got this machine from. Wyatt was using it in the shop there as a demo machine, and we got it from him because we were having some troubles with this one. This is the one we replaced. Wyatt had this up there at his place in Rowlett, and he tried to find what was wrong with it. We were getting heat or something to the hose heat, and he went through the whole thing, checked every part by itself, checked out. It just couldn't figure out why it wouldn't work as a whole system. So this is basically here for spare parts. You've got some stuff in here, some of the fuse things and whatnot there that you can take out and use if they crap out on the other machine. There's not a lot in here to go out or anything. But this is the main pump that, you know, I think now that I look at this, I think we actually refurbished this one, the way it's taped off and everything, because I honestly don't remember. But this is a pump that you want to have ready on the shelf. If that pump ever goes out right in the middle of spraying or something, or you've got a bunch of stuff you've got to do, then you can swap this out and then rebuild that one without stopping the whole operation. These are all just duplicate things of that same machine. This is the fresh air that goes with it. It just delivers fresh air, full face mask. In here are the pumps that go into the drums and pump, and then there's an agitator in there that goes in and agitates the poly. Supposed to agitate for about 20 minutes and stuff. We've got some of the other stuff of when we tore that down that we've got in various boxes. I'll get that boxed up and get back with you here in a little bit once I put this all on the crate and everything, and that's all for now. Okay, so we've got this thing together where we're just about ready to ship it. We're still going to put 4 straps across here and then shrink wrap everything. Put your dehumidifiers here. I forgot what that is, but that's still connected to the machine we left because it's an electrical thing. This is the machine, the hoses, the 50-foot hose. This is the stand that it was sitting on. Here's your pumps. The rest of the extra machine part of it, the pump part of that is in the box with some extra parts and everything. Now, you're gonna need throat seal, and you might, if you're already in the business, you might even already be using this, but you're gonna need a throat seal liquid. Also, you're gonna need to be able to. You're gonna have this stuff. I forget what the hell this is, but your supplier of your plural component stuff, your poly and your ISO will have this cleaning material that you get. I can't ship that with the unit, so you have to buy that locally. All right, so we're just gonna be putting this on YouTube, and I'll give you an email.